Redbird Speed here. Today I want to talk about the hub on the axle. So when I'm talking about the hub, I am talking about the dimension from this diameter here, this hub, from edge to edge. So there were a lot of factory hub dimensions on 9-inch Ford axles specifically. I mean, you're talking about like an old Mustang drum with a 2430 hub. A lot of aftermarket brake kits have a 2771 locator or 2770. Some of them have 27080, 2800. Truck drums like 2875. There are applications with a 3060 hub. So there's a lot of different, you can't just say it's a 9-inch Ford because they're all different. So you got to measure that up. And another thing that I will add is make sure to get the hub for the brakes that you're going to be putting on the car, not necessarily what you have. Because if you have a small Ford 2430 hub on a drum and you get an aftermarket brake like a Bear brake kit, you're going to have a bigger locator. So what I'm talking about is this hub dimension right here where it locates onto the axle right here. So your brakes essentially, they either need to be stud centric or hub centric, one or the other, so something's got to center that rotor up. Alright folks, let's measure this hub up. So on the spec sheet right here, you've got the A dimension. That is this distance right here across the hub. So let's take our dial calipers measured up. Okay, so this axle right here got a 2771 locator. So whatever you're doing for brakes, if you're running something like a Big Bear brake kit or a classic kit, whatever you may be running, let's see what this is. There you go, same size right there, 2771 locator on that center. So this brake would fit this hub right here. So that's what we're looking for. Make sure when you get this, it's going to fit up. So definitely want to measure that up. Invest in a set of dial calipers. They're like 20 bucks on Amazon. Can save you a lot of headache when taking all these measurements. So definitely something I recommend. So alright, so we talked a little bit about Ford hubs from the factory, a little bit about aftermarket brakes, making sure that you want to get the brake kit information for that hub diameter to make sure this gets machined down to fit what you're going to do for brakes. So let's go on, let's move on and talk about more axle features. We appreciate your support. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good one.